wrap around themselves, and I don't care if we have, this is one time where you know, I don't care if I've got it. And I think I'll put a bit here. Okay. I think I pretty much got that the way I want it for right now. I might go and add some later. I think I'm going to actually put a bit of black on top of the gold, the orange. I think I overdid the orange just a little bit and a little overpowering. And I wanted more of the black showing through. So, oh. There we go. All right. So just kind of fun. Everything with this project is all about having fun. I don't know. See, I don't know how well it'll show up on the black. But there it is. And I don't know if I'm going to do these other pieces like that yet or not, but they're pretty much dry. So I think at this point I'm going to stop this video, and I will, yeah, I'll stop this video and I'll get back to you guys in a little while after I clean up. Okay, see ya. Bye.